Everything around us is made of tiny particles called atoms. You can't even see them, they're that small. These atoms have even tinier particles called electrons. Sometimes electrons like to move from one atom to another. This movement of electrons is what we call electricity. It's like a tiny river of energy flowing through wires. Think about all the things you use every day. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, electricity is a part of your life. Many of them use electricity to work. Your tablet, your computer, and even the appliances in your kitchen all need electricity to function. The lights in your house? Electricity. Every time you flip a switch, you're using electricity to light up your home. Your favorite video game? Electricity. Without it, your gaming console wouldn't even turn on. Even your refrigerator needs electricity to keep your food cold. Imagine not having cold drinks or fresh food. Electricity is like a helpful friend that powers so many things we need. From fans that keep us cool to phones that keep us connected, electricity is essential. Can you imagine life without it? No lights, no gadgets, no games. Life would be so different without electricity. Have you ever wondered where electricity comes from? It's something we use every day, but we often take it for granted. Let's take a journey to understand how it all works. Most of it is made in places called power plants. These are large facilities designed to generate electricity on a massive scale. Power plants use big generators to make electricity. These generators are complex machines that convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Some power plants burn fuels like coal or gas to spin the generators. This process involves heating water to create steam, which then spins the turbines connected to the generators. But we can also get electricity from renewable sources like sunlight and wind. Solar panels use sunlight to generate electricity through a process called the photovoltaic effect, and wind turbines use wind to make electricity. The wind turns the blades of the turbine, which spins a generator inside, creating electricity. These renewable sources are crucial for a sustainable future. Section 4. Electricity powers. Fun. Electricity doesn't just power important things, it also powers our fun. Think about your favorite toys. Many toys use batteries, which store electricity to make them work. Remote-controlled cars, toy robots, and even some stuffed animals use electricity. Electricity also powers video games, computers, and TVs, bringing us hours of entertainment. Section 5. Electricity, a super helper. Electricity is like a super helper that makes our lives easier and more fun. Imagine waking up in the morning and not having any lights to turn on or not being able to watch your favorite cartoons. Electricity is there to help us from the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed. It lights up our homes, cooks our food, and keeps us entertained. Think about how many things you use every day that need electricity. From the refrigerator that keeps your food fresh to the TV that shows your favorite shows, electricity is always at work. We need to use electricity wisely. It's important to remember to turn off lights when we leave a room and to unplug devices when they're not in use. This helps save energy and make sure we have enough for everyone, and find new ways to make it from clean sources like sun and wind. Solar panels and wind turbines are great examples of how we can use natural resources to generate electricity without harming our planet. Remember, every time you turn on a light or use an electronic device, you're using electricity. It's like having a little helper that makes everything work smoothly. Or play a video game, you're tapping into this amazing power. It's incredible to think about how much we rely on electricity for fun and entertainment. You're using the power of tiny particles called electrons. These tiny particles move through wires and circuits to bring energy to all the devices we use. So next time you flip a switch or plug in a gadget, remember the amazing journey of electrons that makes it all possible.